Yeah, viewers and subscribers, big up to yourself, you know. You see what I say? Well forward to the last Sunday of year, so right now this is the last Sunday for here. Last Sunday for here, people. You see what I say? You have to give God thanks if you make it that Sunday, yeah? You see what I say? Big up to yourself. I hope that you enjoy the Christmas. You see what I say? New Year's now, 2025. Make sure so you know, be vigilant going into the New Year's. Tuesday, Freedom Street, Vybz Kartel show. You know, say that. You see me? We shall be there. You see me? So big up to yourself and people, as we say, want to be vigilant for New Year's. Protect yourself. You see what I say? Just be safe. You see me? And give God thanks to make it through for the last Sunday. Because a whole heap of people did one there and people. A whole heap of people did one there. You see me? Some people just disappear and gone, so and you will make it through. So forward over here, so if I'm telling us a blessed Sunday and happy New Year's. You see me I say? I feel like people that will go to Freedom Street. You see me, hopefully we soon there and all these things. So big up with yourself and stay focused as we tell you. You see me, Spot It on TV. Remember to do right, like, share, subscribe. We're still there at Jamaica, as you know. And after here, so a carnival time at Trinidad. So we'll go back up the carnival time at Trinidad. You see me I say? Yeah, people. Apparently those who already know me lost my camera. I has my camera with all my content them and thing, but we never study that. You see me? We'll see if we can get some little footage on the venue them. A Cartel Street, if you Freedom Street and all them things that I remember I say them have secure parking. Remember that they have secure parking. Everybody where if you have general ticket, VIP, whatever ticket they have a parking space different for that. You see me? So and the boss don't tell you say security have that lock. So you don't have to worry about the security and wonder if nothing go up me man have that lock. You man say response phone for father show and response phone for left show. You see me? So just be careful. You see me, secure up on the car. Well, them have parking, so once they have a parking, you know, security guard are go there parking like them and all them things there. You see, pray. So, big up on yourself, man, and just stay focused, people. I will say, Happy New Year's again. And Merry Christmas, see you with. You see me? You know what I think of people. Remember to do right, as we say, like, share, subscribe, and just hit the bell. We're just here, outside, though. They have to do right, but like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell, people. And stay tuned. Blessed Sunday. The last one of the year.